Good morning. Out here getting some sun this morning. Just trying to walk in. Feeling a little bit down this morning, to be honest with you. I was thinking about it yesterday. I went for a late night walk. Just needed to clear my mind a little bit. Sometimes I can get into these little ruts or moods or whatever. Yeah, one of the things that I felt like was going on is just changing the eating habit on the weekend. Need to run out to a couple of stores to get some groceries for myself. I got some things that I want to get for grass. Hopefully it'll be a good day of doing that and resetting, and after doing that stuff, I'll feel good about it. There's a quote by Viola Davis. She was talking about how silly she was to believe that she was not the love of her life. How silly she was to believe that like this journey is not meant for us to find ourselves, for us to pursue ourselves with passion and pursue the person who we were meant to be with passion. How silly we are to believe that that is not our purpose for being here. That kind of stuck with me a little bit today. I've decided to go ahead and just start cleaning and do what I need to do at the house, and then I'll get to the store and I'll do the other things I need to do. Yeah, that's what I'm All right, so I did what I needed to do. Clean the kids' rooms, mopped, cleaned the floors. Did not clean the bathrooms and touch those yet. I'm gonna go to get some stuff for the car, then I'm gonna get my car washed, and then I'm gonna clean that out a little bit. I'm going to head to Lowe's because I have to get a new shower curtain for the boys' bathroom. But after all of that, I'll go and do my workout because I haven't done my push-ups and sit-ups yet. I mean, push-ups and pull-ups and stuff yet. I just grabbed some chemicals from AutoZone. I'm about to head over to get my car washed. It's too hot to be outside washing cars myself, so I am going to get this joint washed real quick because it just needs it. Alright, car's looking pretty clean. I'm about to head into Lowe's real quick. Need to grab a couple things. Nothing crazy, but just a couple things. Alright, I gotta pick up some pool chemicals. So I'm here doing that. Get some shock. And some salt. And then the last thing I want to get is something for the grass. I want to get some Scott's turf builder. See if they got it. Okay, so for food this time around, we went ahead with the ground turkey. So this is very lean ground turkey. Look at this, 99% lean, 1% fat. You can tell by the color. Get down. And then we have the chicken breast, which this is also 99% fat free. We also went with the sweet potatoes today. So I'm gonna chop these up into little pieces. Green beans, and then one meal with green beans and rice. All right, so I took a little bit of a break. I took a little bit of a nap too while I watched it. To be honest with you, I fell asleep. But now it's time to clean the pool. We got quite a bit of algae and stuff. I went ahead and picked up some chemicals for the pool so we can drop that in here. The thing is, I had to wait until the sun kind of went down. So I was like, it's just too hot out here to do any of that stuff until now. It's good, shaded. The sun is on the other side of the house. And so I won't be out here sweating like crazy. Or I still may do that. I had to pick up some new tools. So I thought this was pretty cool, this flexible brush. So I'm gonna use this to replace the one that I have.
And then this, I had to get a new one because the other one kind of just snapped off. I threw it away. So we'll add some salt in there, and then we'll add some shock. We'll scrub the sides with this, get some of that algae off of the pool and stuff. Still end up sweating like crazy, but that's all right. Did what we needed to do. Pool's at a good spot. I've got the robot Bob mixing things up. I'm gonna come back later. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow or something. Check on it and probably have to vacuum it out because once you start mixing that stuff up, sometimes the dirt has to settle to the bottom, so you have to give it some time to settle. Got one more thing I want to do outside, which is the yard. I want to put that weed and feed stuff down, and then, but I'm going to wait a little bit more. So before I do that, I'm going to get my workout in and get these push-ups and pull-ups and stuff done. When the sun drops down a little bit more, I'll get out in this yard. But right now, I'll do some of this trash. I need to get I need to do another load of laundry. So I need to go and do that. So once I finish this trash, I'll go do this load of laundry. Yeah. And then I'll work out. This is after week 1. This was day 7 of those workouts, and this is what the body looks like. I think I lost a lot right here. Definitely looking a lot flatter just in 1 week. Feel that good? Okay, so I did have to run to the store to get some food for the fam for dinner. Set aside to make some spaghetti tonight for them. So I'm gonna cook the food for them, also food for myself for the week. So I'm going to do that now. Here's some spaghetti. Spaghetti. Here's the spaghetti stuff. I decided I'm trying to decide what type of noodles I want to go with, but I think we'll do the rotoni noodles, or rotoni, whatever you say it. All right. I got one more thing to do before I wrap, and I want to wrap the day. I wanted to wait until the sun kind of went down. So this is actually, I thought it was a little darker out here, but this is actually the perfect time. Just enough light for me to do this. I'm gonna put some weed and feed down. So we're putting down some Scott's turf builder. All right, so I finished dinner, took a shower. Here are the meals for the week. I do have the potatoes over there. I'm gonna pop this into the fridge, start editing this video. I'm calling it a night. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys having a good day as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.